You don't look half bad, dude. I'm so poor, I'm eating lobster every day. Hey girl, wanna get a drink before we go? Sawadee-ka. Happy now? I can tell whether a car's good or bad just by listening to its engine. Alright, it's still got 4 wheels, so I can fix it. My heart is powered gear driven. Trust me, I can fix it. You're as important to me as an engine in a car. Cheer up! I can help you fix any problem. Whether it's taking cars apart or fixing them, I can do it all. Every car's got a soul. Embrace. Hey! I'm hurt! Give me a hand! Not bad. Choo-choo! All aboard! Next stop, the safe zone.